Hi, I'm Kerry from kerrysillett.com. Today I've got a quick tutorial on how to get your domain email for free. So if you've got your own domain, for example, I have Kerry at kerrysillettdigitalmarketing.com. I also have a few others, but you want to get an email address because when you're using a Gmail email address or an Outlook one, it doesn't look great for your business. So my best advice is to get one that has your domain within the email address itself. To do this, a lot of people will pay out for this, but there is a way around it that you can get one absolutely free. You can have multiple ones as well. I have info, admin, support, my name, etc. So today I'm going to show you how to get a domain email for free. First of all, you want to go onto your hosting. I use Green Geeks, and I'll drop a link down below just in case you're looking for any hosting, as they start from about $2.50 a month. The support is really great as well. But let's jump into the cPanel, which you can see here once you log onto your hosting, maybe in a slightly different place, but that's where mine is. Then you'll see emails, normally at the top of the cPanel. Just pop into email accounts, and you can go over and create one. So these are all my different ones here which I've created. I'll create one for the video, so it will normally have your domains down there, which are the ones that you own. So just pick the one relevant to which one it is that you're going to be using, and then you can just basically add, I'll just add ABC for example for this one. So it's going to be ABC at ministryoffreedomreview.io. Tap in your password when you want to make up, or you can auto generate one in, and then you basically hit create. This will then give you the email address which you've just created, so you can see it there, it's all live. You can check the emails by going in here. I use Roundcube with this. You can use Horde as well. So you just open it up and you can see there that my email's all set up, my inbox drafts, sent, spam, deleted and archive. You can get your contacts, you can put it in your calendar, you've got your settings. And then if you go into there, you can see these are all the user settings if you want to redirect it over to an additional email address such as Gmail. So Roundcube has its own mobile app, so you can download that so you can see your emails pretty quick without having to log onto the dashboard like I am here, or you can redirect it into Gmail. Thanks for watching my how to get a domain email address tutorial today. I hope you've got value. Please feel free to like and subscribe to my channel. Drop me any comments below, and it'd be great to see you on the next video. Take care, bye for now.